So this is what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. This garlic and herb shrimp marinated in garlic, parsley, and oregano. Butterfly cut for easily grilling, but I'm actually going to put them in the oven, and here they are. And I'm doing the whole box because we're hungry tonight. So this is what we're having for dinner. I've got some potatoes going. I'm going to make some mashed potatoes. And I'm also starting a veggie plate going on here. Not quite done with it yet. So here it is, my darling. Here's what we're having for dinner tonight. With the mashed potatoes and shrimp and a little breadstick. And then, like I said, I have this veggie plate here with some carrots, broccoli, and some pepper, and some really great Renee's Caesar dressing. If you haven't tried that, you should try it. It's very good. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. Hope you're having a great night and eating something wonderful as well. Look at this, my darlings. This is what I'm having. I know I'm being bad to the bone today, but we're at Denny's, by the way. And Hobby's got the same, but he got onion on his. This is mine. Look how beautiful that looks.
Yes, it looks good.
Oh my gosh. We'll zoom in. I think these are called tiger lilies, my darlings. I'm not sure, but just wanted to share those with you. They come up every year. And I just love them. So yes, my darlings, here's what we're having for dinner tonight. Hubby's already got his food and eating. But we're having some tortellini because we love pasta here. So we do have it a lot. Sometimes it's just like spaghetti or different types of pasta. But this is the tortellini. And I made the sauce. And then also I've got some a veggie plate here that I'm going to be having. And he has some veggies as well. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Quick and easy. Easy peasy. Hope you're having a good one. I just wanted to show you, my darlings. My hubby's got all the handles off the cupboards. We're finally now going to repaint our cupboards. And so we were going to get new handles, but he said he could just clean them up. So we're just going to get them cleaned, and then we're repainting all the cupboards from there. And then it's kind of embarrassing, but those ones too, as you can see, like they're just so dirty. And I have tried to clean them over the years, but it's just like wood, so it's hard to get them clean. But anyways, we're repainting them now. So this is just a before shot. We also got a new kitchen chandelier, I guess, or lighting. So we'll be taking this one will be coming down, and we'll be putting up a new one. So I will show you that when we get that up. So these are the finished cupboards. They look so much better. My hubby did a wonderful job. So I just wanted to quickly show you before they go back up into the kitchen. Wow. Really, really nice. Thank you, hubby, for all the wonderful work you did. And that was a lot of work. So my darlings, the cupboards are now done. We're actually not totally finished with the kitchen because we're going to repaint, like we're going to get rid of the red, and this lamp right here is going to be gone because we bought a new one to go there. But the cupboards are done, and the handles are all clean and put back on, and it just looks so much nicer, so much cleaner. And over here, it just looks so much better. Love it. My hubby did a wonderful job, and that was a lot of work. A lot of work. But yeah, so when we finally get the red off and the lamp up, I will update you again. We're here at Matty O'Shea's, and my hubby is having a hot hamburger sandwich, I think,
Yes.
with gravy and fries and some corn there. Looks like they grilled it, the corn. So that's what he's having. I'm trying to show.
Yeah.
I can't see it. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's awesome. Thank you. And this is what I'm having: chicken strips with garlic, Parmesan waffle fries, and those waffle fries are wonderful. And the chicken strips. We've eaten here before, so that's how I know. So that's what we're having for our lunch. Good. So we're back again, my darlings, and here is what I've made myself for lunch. A chicken Caesar dupe, I guess you'd say, because there's no bacon and no croutons. But I do have broccoli in there, and some spinach, and that's romaine lettuce, and it is Caesar dressing, and I cooked up some chicken. So there you have it, and if you haven't noticed yet, I just love Caesar salad a lot. So anyways, this is what I'm having for my lunch. Good. Excited to bring you what's for dinner tonight, my darlings, because the beans, these are yellow beans, and my wonderful husband grew these beans, and these are the first of our beans for 2023 from our garden that he grew. So thank you to him. And we have some haddock, which is fish, and I made a baked potato. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Hope you're all having a great one, and thanks for joining us. Good. Look at those beans. So these are the new ketchup nuggets from Burger King, and this is the second time I'm having them because, oh my gosh, I just love them. It's like a ketchup rub, you know, like if you have ketchup chips or something like that. That's what they put on the nuggets. And oh my gosh, I give these a 10 out of 10. So tonight we're having some, what's for dinner tonight? Some chicken drumsticks that I have marinated in some lemon juice, garlic, fresh garlic, fresh black pepper, parsley, a little bit of mayo, a little bit of paprika, and I can't remember what else. But anyways, we're having that, and I'm doing some potatoes. So we're going to put these in the oven right now. So here we go. So here we are, my darlings, and here's what we're having for dinner tonight. The end result, my chicken drumsticks with some beets there and a little baked potato. So actually, I didn't bake it, I actually boiled it. I tried to do it that way this time to see how that would be and make it into a baked potato. Anyways, this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. So here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. We have a marinated pork chop that hubby did on the barbecue, and these are his beans, the yellow beans that my husband has grown in our garden. And then just a well, I want to say baked potato, but I didn't bake it. I actually boiled it and then put some sour cream and cheese on top there. And this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Hope you're all having a good one. Yum, yum, yum. So here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings, my sweet darlings. I made penne pasta with ground beef and bacon and just a little tomato sauce. So this is what we're having, and I'm going to put a slice of cream cheese on top. Good. Hope you're all having a great night, and thank you for always joining us. Remember to always believe in yourself. I believe in you, and you truly will go far. Toodaloo for now, my darlings. Thank you. Thank you for all your love and support. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Toodaloo, and happy eating.